family members, let's make this egusi soup together. You all are welcome to my channel. To all my subscribers, I love you. I'll start by boiling my protein. I had my protein and onions. I had beef seasoning. I also had mixed herbs and also some spice blend too as well. Then I stir this together. After that, I cover this to cook to release its own juice. After cooking for a few minutes, I add my salt. Then as you can see, it has released some juice, so I'm going to add more water to this so that the meat will be able to cook till soft and tender. While the meat is cooking, let me introduce the rest of the ingredients. I have my egusi blended already. I have my ugu leaf. I've washed this leaf and I've sliced it as well. I also have some palm oil that I'll be using. I have my pepper mix too as well. I have some smoked fish, this is panla. I also have pomo, cow skin. I also have my crayfish, and this particular crayfish, I blend it with some dry fish. I also have these onions and garlic blended mix. So to begin, I'll start by adding the onions and garlic blended mix inside the egusi and stir this together to form a paste and set it aside. After that, I check my meat and my meat is properly cooked, and I'm going to transfer this into my air fryer to air fry. For my pot on fire, I had my palm oil and my pepper mix. So I stir this together and I cover this to fry for a few minutes. After frying for a few minutes, this is what we have. So the next thing, I'm adding my pomo and my smoked dry fish. Then I stir this. I had my meat stock and a little bit of water. So I stir all that together. The next thing I'm adding is my crayfish. I had half portion of my crayfish powder inside. So I stir everything together. I covered it and allowed this to cook. Few minutes later, this is what we have. Our sauce is ready. So the next thing I'm adding now is my egusi paste. So I'm just scooping it little by little inside. Once I am done with this, I am going to cover this and allow this to cook. After allowing this to cook for a few minutes, stir together and then you notice the lumpy egusi form. Next, I add my meat and stir everything together. I add more water. I also add some salt to taste and the rest of the crayfish powder. I add more water and I stir this together and I cover this to cook. After cooking this for a few minutes, this is what we have. Our egusi is ready. The next thing I'm adding is my ugu leaf. After adding the ugu leaf, I'm going to stir everything together completely. Then after this, I'm going to turn off the heat. So allow the heat from the pot alone to steam the vegetable. So guys, this is the end result of our egusi soup. You can pair this with any swallow of your choice. Please subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I share amazing recipe. Till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys.